In a quiet city called Mount Vernon, a young boy once played in the streets. His name was Denzel, and life seemed simple in the beginning. But some of Denzel's childhood friends later ended up in prison. One bad choice, one wrong step cost them everything they had. At the age of 14, something big happened. Denzel's parents divorced, and he was sent away to a private military school. This small change saved his life. Many kids he knew in Mount Vernon were not lucky. They stayed in the streets and ended up in trouble with the law later in life. Denzel was lucky to find a new path. The private school was very strict, but it taught him discipline, respect, and how to make better choices. That school forced him to think more about his future. Without it, he may never have become the man we know today. After finishing military school, Denzel went to college. At first, he was not sure about what to study. He felt lost and did not know which path to take. He took a break from college and worked at a summer camp in Connecticut. At the camp, he helped kids and also acted in shows to entertain them. People at the camp saw his talent. They told him he was good at acting. For the first time, Denzel started to think that acting could be his future. After the camp, Denzel went back to Fordham University in New York City. He now had a new goal. He started studying drama and journalism at college. While at college, he also played basketball. But drama became the most important thing to him. It gave him joy and helped him feel sure about the future. He finished his college degree and decided to learn even more about acting. He joined the American Conservatory Theater in San Francisco, California. After finishing college, Denzel started acting in small theater plays. These were not big shows, but they helped him learn more about performing on stage. He also took part in low-budget films. These early roles were not famous, but they gave Denzel the chance to improve and show his skills to more people. His work in theater and small films helped him build experience. These early steps were important for the big roles he would get later in his career. In 1982, Denzel got his first big role on television. He played a doctor named Philip Chandler in a show called St. Elsewhere on NBC. St. Elsewhere was a hospital drama. It showed life inside a busy hospital and the problems doctors and nurses faced each day. Denzel stayed on the show for 6 years. People across the country watched him each week and began to know his name and face. St. Elsewhere became very popular, and Denzel's role in the show made him a rising star in the world of acting. Before this, he was not known by many people. But the show gave him a strong place in the television world and opened many new doors. During the 6 years, he worked hard and learned how to act in front of cameras. This helped him prepare for future film roles. After his success on television, Denzel acted in a film called Cry Freedom in 1987. He played a real-life man fighting for justice in South Africa. His role in Cry Freedom was very powerful. It made many people notice his acting skills. He got a nomination for a big award, the Academy Award. 2 years later, in 1989, he acted in a movie called Glory. This time, he played a soldier in the Civil War and won his first Academy Award for his role. In the same year as Glory, Denzel also acted in 2 more films, The Mighty Quinn and For Queen and Country. These films showed his different acting styles. He also returned to the stage to act as Richard III in New York City. People liked his acting a lot and gave him good reviews in the newspapers. At that time, many new movie offers came to him. He had become a star in both films and theater, and directors wanted to work with him more. In the early 1990s, Denzel acted in many top movies. One film was Mo Better Blues, where he worked with director Spike Lee for the first time. In 1992, he acted as Malcolm X, a famous man in American history. The movie was a big moment in Denzel's career and earned him another Oscar nomination. More people started to pay attention to Denzel. They liked how strong and real his acting was. He became one of the biggest names in Hollywood. During the 1990s, Denzel had many leading roles in movies. He acted with big stars like Tom Hanks and played different types of characters. He was in films such as Philadelphia, The Pelican Brief, and Crimson Tide. These roles helped him grow more as an actor and show his wide range. He also did movies like Courage Under Fire and He Got Game. His teamwork with Spike Lee continued and brought strong stories to the screen. By the end of the 1990s, Denzel was one of the most famous actors. He acted in The Bone Collector and The Hurricane, two very different roles. In The Hurricane, Denzel played a boxer named Reuben Carter. His acting was amazing, and he won a Golden Globe Award, the first for a black actor in years. This award proved his talent again. Denzel's name was now known all around the world. His work in both film and theater brought him great success. After success in the 90s, Denzel started the 2000s with big roles. In 2000, he acted in Remember the Titans, a story about a football coach bringing people together. In 2001, he starred in Training Day, playing a police officer with a dark side. His strong acting in this role won him the Academy Award for Best Actor. He became the second black actor to win this award, which made history. Many people saw this as a big moment for equality in the film world. In 2002, Denzel acted in John Q, playing a father trying to save his sick son. In the same year, he also directed and acted in Antoine Fisher. Antoine Fisher was a special film. It was his first time as a director, and the story was about hope, struggle, and finding your place in life. After that, Denzel became more active behind the camera. He enjoyed telling stories and helping new actors show their best work. In the next few years, Denzel acted in many exciting films. He played action roles in Man on Fire, Out of Time, and Inside Man. These films showed he could play fast, strong roles well. He continued to pick movies that were not only fun but also had deep meaning. He worked again with Spike Lee and stayed close to actors and directors he liked. His teamwork helped make each movie special. In 2007, Denzel directed and acted in The Great Debaters. It told the story of a debate team competing and winning against schools that had more support. He also starred in American Gangster, where he played a powerful man in the world of crime. People loved how real he made the character seem. Critics wrote good things about both films. Denzel was praised for his leadership on screen and behind the scenes. In 2010, he acted in The Book of Eli, a story about hope after a world disaster. He also starred in Unstoppable, a movie about a train going out of control. In 2012, he acted in Flight, playing a troubled pilot. His strong work in this film earned him another Academy Award nomination. He showed that even in hard, serious roles, he could bring truth and power. Flight was seen as one of his best dramas in later years. After great success in films, Denzel's personal life stayed strong too. He married Pauletta Pearson in 1983 after meeting her on the set of a television movie. Their marriage lasted many years, which is not common in the film world. They supported each other and raised a family with love and care. They have 4 children together, John David, Katya, and twins Malcolm and Olivia. Each child found success in their own way, just like their father. John David first played football, then changed paths to acting. Katya studied hard and went to Yale University, finishing school in 2010. Malcolm played college basketball and later studied film. Olivia studied drama at NYU and acted in films and on television. Each child worked hard and did well in school or in the entertainment world. Denzel and Pauletta were proud of all their children's choices. Denzel is a deeply religious person. He follows the Pentecostal Christian faith and goes to church often with his family. He once thought about becoming a preacher. In 1995, he gave $2.5 million to help build a larger building for his local church. His belief helps guide his life and decisions. Faith is very important to him and his family, and they give time and help to others as well. Besides acting, Denzel also cares about helping others. He supports many programs like the Boys and Girls Club of America. He has been a leader in the group since the 1990s. He talks to kids, gives money for projects, and helps build places for learning and fun. Denzel gives not just money, but also his time and voice. He wants to make the world better, and that is why many people look up to him. Denzel also cares about soldiers and their families. He supports the Fisher House Foundation, which helps wounded military members. He visits homes and donates large amounts of money to help care for soldiers. He was made an honorary sergeant major by the U.S. Army. In 2022, he received the Presidential Medal of Freedom. This is one of the highest honors given to someone in the United States. In recent years, Denzel has returned to the theater stage. He acted in plays like The Iceman Cometh and A Raisin in the Sun, showing his love for live acting. He also directed and acted in a film version of Fences in 2016. His work was praised, and he got many award nominations for both acting and directing. Denzel continues to be active in both film and theater. Even after many years, he still brings strong energy and skill to all his projects. In 2023, he starred in The Equalizer 3. This was the last part of a movie series where he played a quiet man who helps people in danger. The Equalizer films were very popular. People liked the mix of action and emotion. Denzel's strong performance made the final movie a big hit. The series showed a darker side of his acting, but also a kind heart. And even in action scenes, his calm style and deep look stood out. In total, Denzel has been nominated for 10 Academy Awards. He won 2 times, but each time he is nominated, people talk about his great work. He continues to take roles that are deep and meaningful. These choices show that he cares more about good stories than just fame or money. Many actors say they learn from watching him. His focus, talent, and care for the job make him a respected person in the world of film. Right now, he is working on Gladiator 2, a big film directed by Ridley Scott. The movie is expected to come out in 2024. Not much is known about his role, but fans are excited. They believe Denzel will bring something powerful to this new historical drama. This shows he keeps choosing strong and bold roles. His ability to change from one type of character to another is something many admire. Over the years, Denzel Washington has become more than just a famous actor. He's now a role model for many people, both in the film industry and outside of it. Young actors often say they look up to him for his hard work and strong values. He shows that true success means staying kind, humble, and focused. Fans around the world respect him not only for his talent, but also for his actions. Denzel inspires others by living a life with purpose and care. One of the most important things Denzel talks about is discipline. He believes this is the key to reaching goals and doing your best in life and work. He also talks about resilience, which means not giving up when things get hard. These lessons helped him become successful and can help others too. When young people listen to his talks or interviews, they hear about working hard and being strong. That message has touched many across the world. Denzel is often seen as a hero by younger generations. They see his life as a path to follow, not just in fame, but also in how to be a good person. He chooses roles that teach lessons or show real struggles. This makes people feel understood and gives hope to those going through hard times. By living with honesty and heart, Denzel shows that success is more than awards. It means helping others and leaving behind something good. Denzel's legacy is clear. He has made great films, won awards, and helped many people. But his biggest gift may be how he leads with love and care. His work has opened doors for many who came after him. He showed that talent, mixed with values, can break barriers and build a better future. As he continues his work, both on screen and off, Denzel remains a powerful example of greatness. His name will be remembered for years to come.